Hello Stampers, I'm Kelly Acheson at astampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Today for my Wednesday tip video, I am going to give you some internet tips. Every once in a while I start getting questions about how do I do this and why can I only do that? And there are some really simple answers. This particular video is going to talk to you about screen rotation and watching my videos and how to get a better experience out of that. So let's flip the camera around and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so I've got Steve's phone here and I hope I'm not getting glare off the lights. I tried to turn off as many lights in here as I could so you wouldn't get any glare on this screen. This is a Samsung, and what I found is that I needed to figure out how to unlock my screen rotate before I could do anything. I want to show you the problem that I'm talking about so that you know what you're looking for and you can go, oh yeah, that happens to me, and you'll know how to fix it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to type in my blog address. Whoops, I need to get rid of Google first. A stamp above. And I've already typed it before, so it's right there. And here is a bunch of blog posts for my A Stamp Above blog. So I'm just going to take the first one here and click on that picture, or tap that picture. And here comes my latest blog post. Whatever's current is what's going to pop up on here, I think. And I'm going to scroll down until we get, it's still loading a little bit. Steve's phone is much slower than mine. Now, this is my video, but my video actually comes way out here. You can see that you can barely see the red video button and only a couple of my projects. So you're missing like 2/3 of the picture, I would say. And in order to get that so you can see the whole picture, because people say, how come I can't see your whole video? So if you push play here, the video is going to start and you can only see half of what I'm doing, which is crazy, right? So I'm going to push pause. Oh, and there comes that little screen that I hate. I don't know how to get rid of that. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tilt it like this, and when you do this your screen should rotate. So we've gone from a portrait mode to a landscape mode, and I always think of landscape like, which is it, what's it called? Landscape, sunset, ground goes left and right, right? Portrait goes up and down. Do you ever have those little funny things that you do to remind you of what you need to know? Okay, so how do you get your screen to unlock on a Samsung? You're going to pull down your status bar, and I hope you can see this in the screen. I'm trying to see, but my stand is in the way. There's a little blue button right here. Here's our speaker. Here's what looks like a raindrop. I don't know what that means, but this is 2 little arrows around the outside of a rectangle. And right now that is, my screen is unlocked. If your screen doesn't rotate when you turn it sideways, it means yours is locked, and now it's not blue highlighted, which means it's not activated. You're going to touch that rotate. Let's go back and I'll show you. Okay, so now my screen doesn't do anything. It won't rotate back and forth. Status bar, click on that rotate. I'm unlocking my screen rotation. Push that bar back up, and now I can get that to rotate. And look it, here's my whole video screen. Now, right down here are some little arrows. That little box thing is 4 arrows on the outside of a square, I would say. If you click on that, that's going to bring this to full screen. It's going to make the video fit your screen. And now we can push play and it's going to go on. There's no volume because I've turned the volume down on here. The other thing that I get people complaining about is they don't want to listen to my chit chat. So if you would like to avoid listening to the chit chat, when you touch your screen, you can see this is your status bar. And this is where you can pull, whoops, let me see if I can get a hold of it. It's not letting me. Hang on. Oh, there it goes. You can take your little status bar and you can pull it back and forth, maybe. Okay, so you can see I'm still chit-chatting here. So if you don't want to listen to me yakety yakking, you can fast forward that until you come to what you're looking for. And the phone is trying to catch up right now because his phone isn't as good as mine. I know you'll find that shocking, right? But now you're going to get to the part where I am making the cards, okay? And let's say that you want to find a particular card that's in this video. Again, touch the screen and pull that status bar down. Oh, that's the card I was looking for. And now you can turn your volume up and hear the measurements and how to make it. So I hope this has been helpful for you. I know a lot of people have this problem. And I also know that these darn smartphones can be so confusing, right? So I actually figured out how to use Steve's by going on my laptop, and I did a Google search. And what I searched in the Google space was how to get landscape view on Samsung phone. Bam, there's your answer. So when you're running into problems like this, go ask Google your question, and they should be able to provide you with an answer. That's how I get answers to all this stuff. I did not come out of the womb knowing things about this. Right? So it's like, how do you know all this stuff? Ask Google. Google's pretty smart. All right, you guys, today is Wednesday, which means it's hump day, which means it's joke of the week day on my blog. If you click right up here, it's going to take you over to my blog. Look for the Wait What post if it's not actually Wednesday, because I might have something else posted on there. You're going to find the joke of the week. It may be a groaner or you might get a good belly laugh out of it. Either way, I think that we need to laugh a little more. And so I've provided you with your giggle for the day. Don't forget to click down here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. And once again, thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Happy hump day. Bye-bye.